When protecting your pet, of course, we think of pet insurance as well. But do you know how it exactly works? Pet insurance is commonly reimbursement-based. Similar to renter's insurance, it is on a month-to-month basis wherein you usually pay a premium to your insurer monthly. Depending on the coverage that you choose will be your reimbursement rate, conditions covered, deductibles, and your maximum payout. Although insurance companies have varying rules, most pet insurance providers will reimburse you directly, and not the veterinarian. However, it's still best to ask your insurance provider about this. Another thing about pet insurance is that if your insurance provider does not have their own veterinarian or a network vet, you can choose your own veterinarian for your beloved pet. A perk you can have if your company has one, though, is that you'll only pay for the deductible. But if you opted for an out-of-network vet, you may have to pay all the fees for the services they covered. It is then that you have to follow the process of submitting a claim and waiting for reimbursement. Now, what does pet insurance not cover? Of course, there are things that your pet insurance may not cover, and some of these are pre-existing illness and conditions. These are conditions or illnesses that your pet already has before you get pet insurance. To avoid any confusion and delay in case of a claim, it is only right to tell your insurer about your pet's condition before you get the said insurance. However, there are pet insurance companies that do have extended coverage. This means if you have medical records that can prove that your pet has been doing well for at least 6 months, and an injury or illness happens during this time, it may be covered as well. Grooming. Most pet insurance does not cover grooming services like the usual wellness procedures such as nail and hair trims, dips, baths, and brushing. Training. Examples of these are relationship-based training, positive reinforcement training, as well as obedience training. Food and supplements. Sadly, food and dietary supplements are not covered even if they are prescribed by your vet. With this being said, is it worth it to get pet insurance? Yes, definitely. Not only can it give your pet safety and coverage, but it gives you peace of mind too. Just click the link below and a pet insurance expert will help you determine the best coverage for your beloved fluffy family member.